Taxes are a part of doing business, and you want to make sure that you're accounting for them with each transaction. I'm Darlene, and I'm going to show you how to create and apply taxes on the Point Smart Terminal. Before we get started, I want to point out that you will need to create a catalog and assign it to your Point Smart Terminal if you haven't done so already. There are two apps that you'll need to set up taxes for: the Register app and the Terminal app. Let's start off with the Register app. You'll need to add taxes to the catalog. On the Smart Terminal home screen, tap Catalog. If you have multiple catalogs, tap Switch and select the catalog you would like to add tax to. Tap Taxes and then tap Add Tax. Tap Create Tax and enter the name, type, and then choose between a percentage amount or fixed amount. Once you have everything entered, tap Save Tax. To apply the tax that you just created, create an order in the Register app and tap Tax Off so that it's set to Tax On. Tax will be automatically applied to the order when it's turned on. Now, let's look at how to set up taxes for the Terminal app. Taxes for the Terminal app are set up in the business settings. Swipe down twice from the top of the home screen, and then tap Settings. Tap Business Settings, scroll down to Tax on Terminal app, and turn it on by moving the slider to the right. Tap Setup next to Tax 1. Enter a name for the tax, a percentage or fixed amount, and then click Save. Let's take a look at how tax is applied in the Terminal app. Tap Terminal app from the home screen and move the tax slider to the right to turn it on. Now, when you go to the Terminal app and enter the transaction amount, the tax will be automatically applied. That's it. We're all set up to apply taxes to transactions in the Register app as well as the Terminal app. I'm Darlene. Have a great day.